In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post links on X, Twitter with headlines and URLs. First, open X. This is the platform where you'll be sharing your thoughts and links. As you open the app or website, you will see your home feed filled with posts from people you follow. This familiar environment is where all the magic happens. It's important to ensure you are logged into your account for a seamless experience. If you are not logged in, you might miss out on the engagement with your audience. Once you have the interface visible, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, click Post. This button is typically located at the top of your feed, easily accessible. When you click it, a new window will pop up, allowing you to craft your message. This action is crucial because it opens up the space for you to express yourself. You will see a blank area where you can type your content. This is where your creativity can shine. It's reassuring to know that this straightforward action is the first step towards sharing valuable information with your followers. Now type your headline or message first. For example, you might write, "New AI tools are changing how people work in 2026." This headline is important because it grabs the reader's attention. A compelling message will encourage your followers to engage with your post. Be clear and concise, as this helps convey your point effectively. Remember, the goal is to inform or entertain your audience. Once you have crafted your message, you can move on to adding the link. Next up, paste the URL below it. For instance, you could use https://example.com/artalk. This step is essential because it provides your audience with a direct link to the content you are referencing. Make sure the link is accurate and functional. A broken link can lead to frustration for your followers. Take a moment to double-check that it directs to the right web page. This attention to detail saves you from potential issues later on. After that, wait for the link preview to load. This is a crucial moment because the preview offers a visual representation of the link you shared. It often includes an image, title, and brief description. This visual cue can entice your followers to click on the link. Sometimes the preview may take a few seconds to appear, so be patient. Seeing the preview ensures that your content is displayed correctly and can enhance engagement with your post. Finally, click Post. This action is the culmination of your efforts. After clicking, your message and link will be shared with your followers. It's rewarding to see your thoughts and insights go live. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your post has been successfully shared. This gives you peace of mind, knowing your voice is now part of the conversation on X. By following these steps, you can effectively share links with headlines on X. Each action you take contributes to building your online presence and engaging with your audience. Sharing valuable content helps establish your credibility as a source of information. So take these steps confidently and enjoy the process of sharing your insights with the world.